At Learnosity, we are continuously working to improve our variety of question experiences. In this video, we will highlight the new functionality that we have added to our essay with rich text question type so that learners can easily input formatted code within essay responses. So here we are editing an essay with rich text question, and among the different text formatting options, we have the ability to select the code inline and the code editor option. So if we preview this for the learner, we'll see that they have some text written. They can select specific text to be formatted inline, or they have the option to input a discrete code block, where here they could input their answer to this question. So having these formatting options built in, it saves learners from needing to upload any additional documents, and it seamlessly integrates with the rest of Learnosity's assessment and reporting offerings. This feature really opens up possibilities to assess different content, whether that be in computer science courses or coding boot camps. If you're interested in learning more about these options or Learnosity's other STEM-focused capabilities, you can email marketing@learnosity.com. Thanks for watching.